Hi, my name is Mason Navarro Martinez. This is Pronunciation Workshop. He is singing a song. She went to the zoo yesterday. They are cooking pasta now. You say go to the dance. I will go to Cartagena next week. She is going to visit her parents a couple of weeks. They have just one son. I am reading a new book about Africa. They used to go to Hawaii every summer. I love eating chocolate. They bought a new car. Susan is playing the guitar in her room. My dad not washed the car yet. Have you ever seen my cat? They are going to move to Bogota. Thank you.